What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Austin back with another video. Today we're doing a walk around on my 2002 Yz85. I know I've done a video before, a walk around, but that was when I first got it. But I'm just showing you what it looks like now. It's fully rebuilt, and I'll give you a startup. So all new plastics. Still got the stock carrier, but I got the FMF shorty on her. New chain. The chop end is bored out to a 105. V43 reeds. Carburetor's rebuilt. Bottom end is rebuilt. Clutch was rebuilt. Has breakaway clutch lever. Need to get a brake lever. My other one broke, so that will be here soon. And this compression has a lot of fucking compression here. Oh, a lot. Alright, so you guys will start up. There you go. And that rattling is a loose bolt that I need to fix, so yeah. Alright, peace out.